International support is pouring into Jamaica as recovery efforts intensify following the devastation caused by Hurricane Melissa. Several global organizations have arrived on the island to assist with relief operations, including the restoration of vital communication networks in severely affected areas. Our reporter Omari Wilson has more on that story.
SRP is a disaster management company, so everything from planning to response to complete recovery. So until some of these big places get back up and running,
international support is pouring into Jamaica as recovery efforts continue following the devastation caused by Hurricane Melissa. Strategic Response Partners, a global relief organization specializing in coordinating emergency response, has brought in its Connect to Satellite Solutions team to assist in the hardest hit areas, helping to restore vital communication networks.
And our mission here is simply to assist in the recovery process after this hurricane. Really one of the most unprecedented hurricanes I've ever ridden out in the last 35 plus years. We were here at Ocean Coral Springs Hotel 2 days before, had all our teams put in place to basically push into this area into Black River and identify a location for Samaritan's Purse where they would set up their medical field office. That was the first initial response.
These teams have donated critical items including Starlink supplies and communication equipment, ensuring that emergency services and local authorities can continue their work as recovery efforts get underway.
We're here with satellite telephones and Starlinks and solar panels and any kind of batteries we can find. Right now the biggest demand, I believe, is with power. There is no power in most of this country right now. The power crews are working diligently. The internet crews are out there working diligently trying to get the internet restored and the cell phone communications.
Both Strategic Response Partners and Connect to Satellite Solutions teams say their time here in Jamaica is undetermined as they are here to support the country in its recovery efforts. Omar Wilson reports, CVM News.